be time when we need to grab hold a cool beer to chill ourselves up. Well, we may not have the refrigerator to help chill our beers around us, especially at our favorite personal wine bar. This is why I went around hunting for a good refrigerator for our wine bar. Check out Whynter BR-128WS Beverage Refrigerator. It is compact and efficient, and is able to create an evenly cooled space ensuring consistent temperatures throughout. It has a soft LED lighting built-in allowing you to see content within the refrigerator. It is also equipped with a lock to enable you to lock it up when not in use. Check out Whynter BR-128WS Beverage Refrigerator by clicking on this button today.